Good day everyone, my name is your Sales Executive of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
And I am Ray, Sales Executive of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
In today's live stream, we are going to feature our Tornado M 5.2 drop sight. Our Tornado M 5.2 drop sight has a 3.8 displacement, 154 horsepower, 4-cylinder, diesel fuel type, and fuel consumption of 1 liter is to 11 kilometers.
Of course, this light-duty truck that we are going to talk about today will be really a big help to those company owners who is in line into delivery services and even po sa farming. So now we're going to talk about the front side of our unit.
We make our own way. Make our own way.
So this is the front side of our drop side. So nakikita niyo po sa may bandang itaas, kung makikita niyo po, meron po tayong siyang lights for signal po sa itaas. Ayan. And then, as you can see, malaki po ang ating laminated windshield. Enough na para ma-view talaga ng ating driver at ng ating mga front passenger ang nasa harapan ng daan. And we also have here, kitang-kita niyo po sa may gilid niya na ang ating mga naglalakihang mga side mirrors. And here, our front grille, na enough po talaga siya to maintain the cooling requirement na kailangan ng ating sasakyan. And a very wide headlamp with a daytime running light po. And of course, our fog lamp to assist us sa daan na din po. And for safety measures na din ng ating sasakyan. Of course, this is the front side of our unit. Now, let's go and check our engine with Sir Jet.
Alright, thank you Ma'am Ray. So now, let's talk about the performance or engine ng ating Tornado series natin. So, yung Tornado M series natin, actually, yung engine po niya ay nasa gitna ng ating head sa body. So, kailangan natin i-lift up yung head natin. Yun, so meron siyang key 1, saka key 2, at saka key 3. So, kailangan natin i-press up ang ating key 1, and then isa, saka dito, yung pangalawa, and then pangatlo. And then yung next natin, so dahan-dahan lang. So, we lift up gently. So, we need support para hindi tayo masyadong mahirapan. Alright, so this is the engine of Tornado M series. So, 154 horsepower, 3.8 displacement, fuel, diesel fuel type, and then ito yung fan niya, saka radiator, with condenser po nandito, and then yung coolant niya nandito, at naka Euro 4 na po tayo, at saka na, as you can see po, of course, hindi yung mawala yung insulator natin, para hindi po masyadong mainit sa loob ng ating driver. So yun po ang nandito sa ating engine po. At ngayon, dito naman tayo sa ating driver seat.
Make our own way. Right where we should be. These are the words you said to me.
As you can see po, with regards of headroom and legroom po, is spacious po siya. So hindi po masyadong mahirapan yung driver natin. Para syempre, hindi tayo mauumay sa pagbiyahe or sa ating driver hindi siya mauumay. So ngayon, meron tayong central lock sa ating dito, sa aking left side. And power windows, up and down of course. Meron siyang power steering with cruise control and with remote po para sa ating buttons natin. And then nandito yung wiper control natin, headlight or yung mga headlight control natin, at meron din siyang headlight levelizer po. And then meron siyang dual compartment dito. And then meron siyang dual sun visor po. Okay. At yung compartment natin dito ay meron siyang dual or two-tone po na color. yung beige at saka dark gray. Okay. And then, yung monitor po natin sa naka LED or flat screen po tayo. Meron siyang Bluetooth, USB port, AUX, at FM and EM. At nandito yung 24 power outlet niya. Meron siyang dalawa. At meron din siya, nandito yung air conditioning system natin. Of course, hindi mawala. At saka yung ashtray po. Ito. At meron din siyang ready to use na PTO. Yun. And then, nandito yung 6-speed manual transmission plus 1 reverse. At meron siyang reverse sensor dito at camera po para sa ating pag-reverse ng ating sasakyan. At naka-maxi brake na po tayo or air brake po tayo. At yung seating capacity po dito sa ating front ay meron siyang tatlo. So individual po meron siyang 3-point seat belt. Of course, yung dalawa merong individual na headrest. At yung quality ng ating seat po ay hindi siya ordinary na fabric. Made siya sa fully 80 range, kung tawagin natin. So meron na siyang sulit po siya na paggagawa na fabric. And then yung ceiling natin, of course, hindi na po siya fabric. Meron na siyang plastic composite. Talagang hindi po siya mainit po dito. So hindi po sinulit ng ating Foton ang paggawa ng ating Tornado M series po. So ngayon punta naman tayo sa ating driver or passenger seat. So ngayon punta naman tayo sa ating passenger seat po. So as you can see po, yung door natin, ma-open siya into 90 degrees po. As you can see po, meron siyang speaker dito, dalawang speaker. Of course, isa dito tapos isa doon sa driver. Meron siyang accessory packet, lagay ng mga charger or mga bagay na importante. At meron siyang individual na power windows control nandito. At meron siyang individual para sa ating lock door. And then, as you can see po, with regards of headroom at saka legroom po, spacious po siya. So actually talagang dito, maluwag. So meron din siyang isang compartment dito para sa ating lagayan ng mga documents natin. At meron din siyang 4 na blower or air vent natin. At meron din siyang assist grip natin, of course. Assist grip or hand brake natin. At meron din siyang sa ating front side mirror po dito para talagang makita yung mga bagay na sa harap. And then meron din siyang black or rear side mirror po dito. Talagang wide mirror po siya. Talagang in-emphasize niya para hindi po masyadong or malayo sa aksidente po sa ating driver. So yun po ang ating driver, yung passenger seat po dito sa ating Tornado M 5.2 series.
Well, the overall dimension of our unit ay sa length po niya ay 23 feet po talaga. And ang height naman po ay 7 feet. Estimated po natin yan. But the inner cargo here, from there, would measure 17 feet po. Yan. Dito naman po, itong nasa side natin, since this is what we call drop side, pwede natin siyang i-maneuver dito para mababa natin yung nasa gilid nga. And that's double din po kasi meron din po tayo dun sa may gilid para mas easy para sa ating mga helper na i-diskarga or load and unload the things that are inside our drop side. And of course, ang ating fuel ay diesel with a fuel tank capacity of 120 liters and a fuel consumption of 1 liter is to 14 kilometers po. With regards to the gulong of the unit, ang gulong po natin ay rim 17, which is also a tubeless tire, and meron din po siyang 6 holes. So sa suspension naman po ng ating unit, ang unit po ay may leaf spring na front and rear suspension. So I guess that would be all for the side of our unit. Now let's check po sa likod ng ating drop side.
Here we go now, let's make our own way.
So this is what it looks like sa back part ng ating drop side. So nakikita niyo po na ang kaniyang material ay very matibay po talaga siya. And dito din po sa may bandang ibaba, makikita po natin ang 4 probe reverse sensor na din po for assist na din po sa ating driver. And of course, we also have our tail lamp na nakikita niyo po na malaki po talaga ang kanyang dimension para kitang-kita po tayo sa daan. And here, as you can see, the sidebar na nakita niyo na po kanina ay pwede din po siyang mag-serve as our stepboard. And we also have there sa may bandang ibaba ang ating spare tire. So ngayon, bubuksan natin ang unit with Sir Je para makita niyo po ang loob ng ating sasakyan.
Make our own way. We can make our own way.
Baba po natin yung nasa gilid for yung sa side niya, and then nakikita niyo po na very wide ang ating cargo, ang ating inner cargo na pwedeng lagyan ng ating pwedeng i-load at pwede din po i-unload ng mga kagamitan sa ating job site. And I guess that would be all for the back part.
These are the words you said to me. Never is a good thing.
Good afternoon, I'm Annalyn, Service Advisor of Foton Cagayan de Oro. Gusto lang promote itong promo natin na free 2 liters engine oil at 1 piece anti-back spray. Applicable po ito sa Gratour, passenger vehicle, and light-duty trucks in every PMS. Itong promo natin ay hanggang 31 lang po ng July. At para naman po sa light-duty trucks, ang warranty natin sa Cummins engine ay may 3 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. For spare parts, you can visit our office located at Gusa Highway, Cagayan de Oro City. Thank you.
Big thanks to all of you who are watching our videos. We still have a lot of variants that we can offer to you, of course. We have a light-duty truck, heavy-duty truck, at meron din po kaming mga passenger vehicles.
For interested customers who wants to purchase our Foton vehicle, you can pay as cash and bank financing. If paying cash, you pay an amount of 1,545,000, and bank financing based on 30% down payment, you pay an amount of, nandito sa screen natin, na 463,500. And monthly amortization for 5 years or 60 months for as low as 26,000. With regards to warranty, we extend 3 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Above all, we do offer after sales and parts in any Foton service center near to your location.
So we would like to encourage you to visit our showroom located at Gusa, National Highway, Cagayan de Oro City. And we also have a Facebook page, Foton Cagayan de Oro. And we also have a contact number down here that you can call or text for fast transaction. Now once again, this is Ray, Sales Executive of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
NGR, Sales Executive of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
Saying,
keep safe and God bless.
These are the words you said to me.